What's going on, guys? This is Paperclip Crypto bringing you a brand new video. And today we're going to talk about the UK-based ICO named Online TV. This project aims to change or revolutionize the way we see the online video broadcasting industry and as well as the consultant markets. Although this is not the first time that we see an online live tutorial website, actually there are too many of them, but most of the sites have very limited features such as live chat tutorials only, or if there are live video tutorial sites, it is very limited to online classes only. So if you want to avail, so you need to enroll. So basically it doesn't apply for people that only want a help for a single problem, like people that have medical problems or legal problems, or they can consult for a lawyer. Anyway, this project is well hyped. Their pre-ICO have been sold out even if it didn't reach with their time frame for the pre-ICO sale. Now their main ICO will start on March 11 with the span of 30 days, so it will end on April 11. So you can have a 20% discount if you buy during the first 11 days of the ICO, and 11% discount if you will buy during the 12th day until the end of their ICO. So that's the price of their token in the ICO phase. Now let's proceed to what they offer. So the project offers three types of features inside their platform. First is the live services. So this is one of the main features that OnLive offers in their platform. So this works like a marketplace that gives service providers the ability to sell their services to anyone who needs them. It enables scheduling of live broadcasting in HD quality in real time, convenient billing, chat, and dedicated offers, as well as the OnL token as payments. So the OnL tokens will be used as a utility token for the platform. So the live services feature works like the consultant markets, where experts give their advice to a problem or even teach tutorials to people that want to learn something new. The live services feature works on a one-on-one scenario where the expert will help the customer via live broadcast. So this features applies for all industries. So if you're a lawyer, doctor, weight loss expert, job seeking, fitness expert, teacher, insurance, language learning, financial advice, and many more. So the next feature that the online platform offers is live broadcast. So the live broadcast works like Twitch TV if you're familiar, but the Twitch only offers for gaming broadcasting. So it's very limited to gaming, while OnLive is applicable for all industry. So if you're a fan of live broadcasting and social media, then maybe you can try the OnLive platform, where not only you can help a lot of people, but you can also earn money from what you are doing. The live broadcast features have enabled service providers to deliver HD live broadcast on unlimited number of viewers, billing on pay-per-minute and pay-per-view models, and scheduling future live broadcasts. Our powerful business-to-business and business-to-customer tech can be used on a number of verticals, including workshops, practical tutorials, sports, conferences, TV, SVODs, music, e-learning, well-being, charity, and etc. This is how the actual OnLive platform looks like. So you will have your own channel where people can follow and can message you, and every viewer needs to pay using the ONL token before they can view your live stream. And the platform also charges the viewers on every minute that they are present in your channel. If you can see below the channel, there is this upcoming broadcast, and below there is offers live session. Basically, this is the live services feature of the OnLive platform, where you can see what services offered and also the rates of every experts. Now let's proceed to the third feature of this platform, and that is transcoding and relay nodes. So this feature works like the mining of cryptocurrencies, because this is a proof of work basis where you lend the computing power of your computer into the network for relaying and transcoding operations. So basically this works like mining cryptocurrencies, where you will help every transaction that happens in the network. This is also a good way of earning ONL tokens, because you don't need to install mining applications anymore. All you have to do is go to the platform and lend the computing power of your computer. So that is the three features that the OnLive platform offers. Now moving on to the token crowd sale. ONL token is an integral element of the OnLive platform. It is used as a free currency of transmission and transcoding services to incentivize decentralized computing required for the video broadcast. Furthermore, it is the only payment option on our platform. So it is great making the ONL tokens as the medium of payment for all the transactions inside the platform. I can see that the ONL tokens will be utilized at a maximum potential, so this will ensure the price growth of the tokens. Now this is the information about the token. So the token type is utility token. Maximum supply is 111 million ONL tokens. Token sale in the pre-ICO is 12.2 million, and that is already sold out. And the main ICO will be 61 million. Their hard cap for their pre-ICO is 14,000 Ethereum. That is approximately $12 million. So they already reached that cap. And that is also their soft cap. Now the next target is the hard cap of 100,000 Ethereum, and all unsold tokens will be burned. So how to participate? Of course, you go to the website on March 11 and then you buy the tokens. Now, okay, moving on to the key date. So pre-ICO February. The ICO will start on March 11 and will end on April 11. Post-ICO will be on May, and the OnLive platform will start on June. So that will be after the post-ICO, the OnLive platform will start. Now moving on into the token allocation. So the ICO composed of 55% of the tokens, pre-ICO 11%, ONL wallet reserve 11%, and another 11% go to the founders. Monthly marketing 6%, advisors 5%, and 1% go to the legal insurance. Now moving on into the roadmap. So the first quarter of 2018 will be composed of their token sale, the pre-ICO, ICO, and the post-ICO that will end on May. Next is second quarter of 2018. So in June is the launching of the platform, where they start recruiting the first critical mass of users, broadcasters in the UK and the US, as well as the launch of the live services features. And on this time, it will be the start of using the ONL tokens as the medium of payment inside the platform. Now moving on to the quarter 3 of 2018. So it is the launch of the live broadcast feature. So launch one-to-many broadcast or web, public broadcast, centralized vision, and all pay models. Moving on to the quarter 4 of 2018. So generic widening of activity into new sectors increases the number of users, broadcasters setting up additional language versions, setting up the version of mobile version, iOS and Android of the application for one-to-one module, real-time smart contract, escrow, and pay on live. And on 2019 and 2020 will be the upgrade of the platform. Now moving on to the team that made the OnLive. So this is the team. I believe that the OnLive project have a very experienced team behind it. You can see all of their bios here in the website. And this is CEO Mr. Chris Ribka, more than 17 years of experience in the telecommunication and IT industries. If you click on his link ID profile, you can see that he is working with the OnLive project since March of 2016, so that is 2 years and 1 month before. So he is also the founder of MindMind company. So if you are going to Google and search for MindMind, so let's see. So here, so MindMind is all about streaming. So it is very related to the OnLive project. Now moving on to the next company. So he is a co-founder of Hatima Foundation, president of the board for the Presto company from 2010 to 2015, owner and member of the supervisory board from 2014 to July, from April 2014 to July of 2015. That's 1 year and 4 months for the Umbrella Institute. And here, this experience that goes down to 2001. So he's the Fish Media owner, president of the board. That's 9 years and 9 months. That is from January 2001 to September 2010. By just viewing his bios, we can conclude that the CEO of OnLive Platform, Mr. Chris Ribka, is a well-experienced man in the field of telecommunication and IT. So if you want to know more regarding the bios of the team, you can go to their website on.live. Now moving on to the verdict of this review. So what is my conclusion regarding this project? So the project targets almost all of the live broadcasting industry, and if you don't know, the live broadcasting industry is already around $50 billion this 2018, so they have a very big market, and I believe there is a well-experienced team behind this project. Another thing is they will launch the project right after the post ICO, so that will ensure the price grow of the ONL tokens. So if you're an early investor, it is good thing for you because you can flip your money by maybe by June or July. And lastly, since they raised already around $12 million in the pre-ICO, and I know they could raise a lot more money than the pre-ICO. So after the post-ICO, they have a lot of money to do the marketing aspect of the project, because in this kind of ICO project, the marketing is the most important thing. So I believe that they already have a good product because they have worked out this project since 2016, so that's already 2 years. So I prepared that they focus more on the marketing side of this project after the post ICO, so that more and more people will know about the OnLive platform and how cool it is. Now guys, that ends my ICO review regarding the OnLive project. So if you have any thoughts about the project, please leave a comment below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more ICO review updates. Thank you and stay safe always. Bye bye.